Hello everyone and welcome to the Maths Lab channel. Here the next example on line integral is calculate integral over c f bar dot dr bar where c is the part of spiral. C is the part of spiral. R bar is equal to a cos theta I bar plus a sin theta j bar plus a theta k bar corresponding to 0 is less than or equal to theta is less than or equal to pi by 2. Between 0 to pi by 2, theta is given 0 to pi by 2 and f bar is equal to, f bar is defined r square I bar. Vector r square into I bar, this is our f bar. So slightly different example, so that's why I have take it for a solution, because in our previous videos there are so many examples on vector uh, work done and line integral. Okay, now let us solve it. First we will find f bar. F bar is r square I bar and our line integral is c over c f bar dot dr bar, integral over c f bar dot dr bar. So I have to find this f bar dot dr bar. For that purpose r bar is given and f bar is also given. Now r bar is equal to a cos theta I bar plus a sin theta j bar plus a theta k bar. This is my r bar. Now r bar dot r bar is r square. I want r square. R square is, I hope you have studied vector differentiation. You have learned the videos based on vector differentiation. In that I told you that f bar dot f bar is r square. Sorry, r bar dot r bar is r square. F bar dot f bar is f square. Like that. So here r square is there. Take dot product with itself. A cos theta into a cos theta. So a cos theta square plus next one is a sin theta square plus a theta square. So I get here a square in bracket cos square theta plus sin square theta plus theta square. Okay, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So a square in bracket 1 plus theta square. Correct? This is my r square into I bar is given. So my f bar is equal to r square I bar. Just take I bar here, 1 plus theta square into I bar. Okay. Now we want, concentrate here, f bar dot dr bar. Now r bar in our hand. So from that I can find dr bar, derivative of this term. So what is derivative of a cos theta? A is constant, cos theta. Cos theta I get minus sin theta into d theta. I bar. Next one is plus a cos theta into d theta j bar plus a d theta k bar. Okay, so this is my dr bar. Now take the product. Here see f bar dot dr bar. F bar dot dr bar. Only I bar is there. So I required only I bar term from this dr bar. And it is minus a sin theta d theta. So take the product. A square into 1 plus theta square into minus a sin theta d theta. Others 0 because there is no term in f bar. So our answer is minus a cube. Correct? 1 plus theta square into sin theta d theta. And our limit is from 0 to pi by 2. Limit is from 0 to pi by 2. So take the integration. So here I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 minus a cube 1 plus theta square sin theta d theta is equal to minus a cube outside here 0 to pi by 2 sin theta plus theta square sin theta d theta. Correct? Now we can simplify this. Minus a cube. For 0 to pi by 2 sin theta, we can take cos theta directly, minus cos theta, 0 to pi by 2 limit. Plus, here I have to use u into v rule. So use u into v rule. Let us start. I hope you know that formula. Integral of u into v is equal to u as it is integration of v. Instead of that, I can call it as v1. Okay, minus u dash v2 plus dot dot dot, right? So here theta square, this is my v and sin theta is my u. No, sin theta is my v and theta square I take u. So theta square as it is, and integration of this sin theta is minus cos theta. Right? Minus. Take derivative u dash. U dash means derivative of theta square. It is 2 theta. And here leave the forgot the first term. Concentrate on this minus cos theta now. And integrate minus cos theta. It is minus sin theta. Plus alternate plus minus sign. What is derivative of this 2 theta? It is 2. Right? And what is integration of minus sin theta? It is cos theta. Correct? And limit 0 to pi by 2. Now give upper limit minus lower limit and complete your answer. So minus a cube as it is. Cos pi by 2 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. So your answer is 1. Plus here pi by 2 means pi square by 4. In place of theta we have to substitute. Cos pi by 2 is 0. No question. Minus 2 pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1. So here minus 1. Plus 2 into cos pi by 2 is 0. So it is 0. Minus lower limit. Lower limit, this is 0. Sin 0 is also 0. So no problem, 0. But cos 0 is 1. So minus 2. So your answer is here 1 remain. Here minus 2 remains, means minus 1. And here pi remains. 2 get cancelled, pi. So minus a cube into pi minus 1. This is your answer. So in this way we can solve the problem. Thanks for watching.